Hello Bloggernaires, today we're going to unbox and review Chapter 2 of the Curious Correspondence Club, and this one is called Warehouse on the Wharf. We already reviewed Chapter 1, The Custodian's Keys, and it was a pretty fun escape room, so we're excited for this one as well. So let's open this up. Oh, there's the Curious Correspondence logo, and so there's a marina symbol. Maybe we're at the beach this time. Last time I think we were at the museum. There we go.
No, we're at a warehouse. Warehouse.
Oh yeah, we're at a warehouse. Here is the introduction for Chapter 2.
Oh yeah,
this is kind of long. The ascent is slippery as you clamber hand over foot up a dewy bank. An early morning mist rolls over the grassy hill as you crest its peak, while an unmistakable aroma fills your nose. Gasoline, burning coal, and salt linger in the fog that clouds your view. As you strain to pick up the sharp lines of warehouses and steel through the thick haze, more details begin to reveal themselves. Barrels, crates, and the burly dock hands that ferry them along a warren of pathways and boardwalks. Beyond the looming silhouettes, the sounds of a wharf render clearly while the stubborn fog seems intent to conceal. Screeching sculls, impatient foghorns, and tattered buoys clanging their gentle lullaby to a sleeping ocean. This has to be the harbor, you think to yourself. It must be around here somewhere. So that is the intro. Basically, to sum it up, we're at the harbor. And we found a box containing probably all these puzzle pieces. Yeah, but I hope that this introduction gave us all the information we needed. So we're at the docks. There's 9 warehouses, I think. Here's the Chapter 2 contents. There is 1 chapter envelope, which is this. 1 strong box. There's also 1 strong box note. 1 strip of negatives. Is this it?
I don't think that's negatives,
No.
is it this?
Okay, this might be it, but I'm not sure what
it.
negatives are.
Oh, and this probably the strong box. The strong box note.
Oh yeah.
And what's this?
Oh yeah, this is the strong box. I'm not sure where it is.
A photograph.
Here's a note that we're gonna have to read later.
And a photograph.
Oh, this all came in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hold on. Oh yeah, this is the photograph.
6 cargo crate panels.
So this is the strip of negatives. The photographs all in here, alright? Then there's 6 cargo crate panels. These seem like an essential piece. Ow! Ah, poked myself.
And also on the back.
Yeah, on the back.
It has symbols.
Hold on. Yeah, on the back they each have different symbols. This has a glass of wine. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe arrows. There's a flower. And recycle symbol. Umbrella. And fire.
Oh, and they all have those symbols on this side too. They have all of those symbols.
Oh yeah.
And over here is the warp map.
What?
The warp map. Wharf map.
Oh, wharf map. A wharf is like near the bay.
And on the back, they have 9 numbers for the 9 warehouses.
Where?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see. 9 warehouses. So I think this is going to be a key part of the thing.
And then there's 3 warehouse documents. I'm pretty sure all you have to do is like connect these. Like that. I'm pretty sure.
Warehouse document.
Yeah.
Yeah, so on this side is maybe a decoder key. And on the back, I'm not sure. Probably to put together, right?
I'm pretty sure, like, yeah, it's like some kind of...
Maybe we
put
lay
together.
these left to right. And warehouse clipboard. Where is that?
This one. Oh, and it's actually like a clipboard. You can clip it. You can actually clip it.
Okay. Is this tic-tac-toe? Could be.
And then lastly, 12 crate assembly pads. As you can see, there's 12 circles.
Yeah, so I think in this escape room we might have to do some assembling to figure out some sort of answer. Oh yeah, okay, so it says need a hint, curiouscorrespondence.com/chapter2. And I think that website is also where we like submit the answers and everything. So that is the unboxing. These pieces look really unique. And I like how they're all kind of warehouse themed.
Well,
that is the theme. But it does look challenging too.
We're gonna do a live stream and come back with our final thoughts.
And we're back. We just did the live playthrough of Curious Correspondence Club Chapter 2, and here are our final thoughts. Brother, what was your favorite puzzle from this game?
Maybe building the box cube-like thing.
Yeah, there was a puzzle that required you to construct a cube and use the cube to turn it and find an answer. And it was a really unique puzzle because in a lot of other escape rooms, we don't construct things. Now, basically what happens in the game is you're trying to find an artifact inside one of the 9 warehouses. So in the first puzzle, you find which of the 9 warehouses it's in. Then once you find the warehouse, you have to figure out which cargoes. So you're basically solving the biggest puzzle of the warehouse all the way down to the individual crate. And unlike other escape rooms, there's pieces inside here that are used for multiple puzzles. They're kind of like double-sided and you can use them for multiple things. So it's pretty cool. You can go watch our live playthrough by clicking up here, and we wish we could tell you more about the game, but if we say anything else, there's going to be spoilers. So I'll just leave it at that. It was a really good storyline, just like with the last Curious Correspondence Club, and pretty interesting. If this looks interesting to you, you can purchase it at the link in the description, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.